Good morning everyone, welcome again. Today we will start new chapter 5. Name of this chapter is Sensory, Attentional and Perceptual Processes. In the previous chapters you have already learned how we respond to various stimuli present in the external and internal environment with the help of our receptors. While some of these receptors are observable, clearly observable, and others lie inside our body and are not observable without the help of electrical or mechanical devices. So this chapter will introduce you to various receptors that collect a variety of information from the external and internal worlds. So let's start with knowing the word. How you know the word? The world in which we live is full of variety of objects, people and events. Look at the room you are sitting in. You will find so many various things around you. Just you may see in your room like table, chair, books, bag, clothes, watch, pictures on the wall and many other things. Their sizes and shapes and colors are different from each other. If you move to other room, you will find some other new things, sports, pencil, mirror. If you go beyond your house, you will find some many more things like generally you see trees, animals, buildings. So such experiences are very common and we hardly have to make any efforts to know them. If someone asks you how can you say that these various things are exist in your room, in your house, in an outside environment, you probably answer that you see and experience them all around you. In doing so, you are trying to tell the person that the knowledge about various objects become possible with the help of our sense organs like eyes, ears. So these sense organs collect information not only from the external world but from our own body. The information collected by sense organs form the basis of all our knowledge, and the registered information must also be sent to the brain that constructs some meaning out of them. So our knowledge of the world around us depend on three basic processes. These are sensory, attentional and perceptual processes. So let's start with stimulus and its meaning. The external environment that surrounds us contain a wide variety of stimuli. Some of them can be seen, can be heard, can be tasted, can be feel. So all these stimuli provides us with various kinds of information. We have very specialized sense organs to deal with these different stimuli. As human beings, we are bestowed with a set of 7 sense organs. 5 sense organs, you all know about these 5 sense organs: eye, ear, tongue, skin, nose. These are our 5 sense organs. These are external. Specialized receptors of warmth, cold, pain are found inside of our skin. So besides these external sense organs, we have to go two deep senses. They are called kinesthetic and vestibular system. They provide us very important information about our body position and movement of body parts. So here is you can see why animals and plants do what they do. So a fancy way of saying cause and effect in the animal world. What is cause? What is effect? So cause is stimulus and effect is response. Let's discuss in detail stimulus. Any change in an organism's environment that causes to the organisms to react. It is a fancy way of saying cause. Here is one example. An animal is cold, so it moves into the sun. This is an example. Response: how the organism reacts to a stimulus results in a change in behavior. Getting a drink when you are thirsty, that is response. Here are some example. You are hungry, so you eat some food. So stimuli and their responses. You are cold, so you put on a jacket. A dog is hot, so lies in the shade. It starts raining, so you take out an umbrella. So these are some examples of stimulus and responses. So there are two types of stimuli: external stimuli and internal stimuli. External stimuli, a stimulus that comes from outside an organism. You feel cold, so you put on a jacket. A snake lunges at a rabbit, so it runs away. A dog feels hot, so it goes to lay in a shade. So all these are example of external stimulus. Internal stimulus, a stimulus that comes from inside an organism. You feel hungry, so you eat some food. A cat feels thirsty, it drinks water. A dog feels hot, so it goes to shade. These are internal stimulus. So today we have discussed about some nature of stimulus and about knowing the word. Next time we will move further. Thank you.